Today I'm going to show you how to add in the advanced equations editor in Microsoft Word. So adding in advanced equations in Microsoft Word is very simple. Basically, what you're going to do is on your ribbon, go into Insert. On the right-hand side, you'll see Equation. Use the drop-down menu. You'll see a bunch of built-in equations. But if you'd like some more, go into More Equations from Microsoft Office.com and you'll see a bunch more over here. Now, let's say that you would like to create a new one. Go ahead, click on Insert New Equation, type your equation out over here, and then click on Save as New Equation. Right, so what if you're not seeing this here? Let's say you click on Insert, you come over to the right-hand side and there's nothing there. Well, this is a quick and easy fix. So let's go over to the top left, click on File, come down to Options on the bottom left. Over here, look for Customize Ribbon, and on the left-hand side, make sure it says Choose Command From, and click on All Commands. Now, over here, you will look for Insert. Okay, so once you've found Insert, you will then select it. So let's just find our master insert. Go ahead and click on Add. Now, once you've clicked on Add, you will see on the right-hand side, making sure that it says Main Tabs in this drop-down menu, Insert will have to now be checked. If you don't see these drop-down items underneath Insert, you'll need to repeat the previous process by going down, looking for symbols. As you can see here, we're looking for symbols. So over here on the left, you'll look for symbols. Once you have found symbols, go ahead, click on it, click on Add, and you'll now find symbols, and you should have these symbols added in. Now, once you're done, all you'll have to do is click on OK, and you will find that tab that has been added into the Insert option. Again, you can go into Equations and add in all of these advanced equations onto your document by simply clicking on it, and inside the equation you'll actually be able to edit whatever is inside there.